I'm a big fan of green laser pointers. We use them all the time when we go camping to look at satellites or to point out constellations in the sky. So I saw this one was such a great value, had such great reviews. I wanted to buy one and check it out. So let's take it out of the box for the first time. I like that it has this protective clip that physically protects the button. And with this one, it's like a temporary on. That's pretty nice. It has a diffuser here on the end with a kaleidoscope sort of thing. So as I twist it, look at what a cool laser effect. Let's go ahead and turn off the lights to get it even brighter. And wow, isn't this going to be fun? So now I think we could probably unscrew that diffuser and just get a standard bulb here. And sure enough, they can unscrew that. I guess it's not a bulb, but we can get a laser pointer now. Really nice bright green light there. Looking forward to using this one again when we go camping or just in the backyard. Hope this helps.